Welcome students. Today I discuss about the dimenum rearrangement. Now in this reaction, when a cyclic amine treated with nitrous acid, it forms a mixture of alcohol. As shown here, when this cyclic amine treated with nitrous acid, it forms the mixture of these alcohols, and when this amine treated with nitrous acid, it forms the mixture of these alcohols. Now, what is the reaction mechanism? As we know that nitrous acid is a source of NO plus ion. So when this cyclic amine treated with nitrous acid, first this amino group react with NO plus ion and consequently converted this cyclic amine into this compound. And as we know that N2 is a good leaving group, so with the formation of this compound, it rapidly converted into this compound with the loss of N2, and consequently this carbocation react with water and generated this compound which undergoes deprotonation and generated this alcohol. Again this carbocation undergoes CC bond migration and consequently it generates this carbocation which on react with water followed by the loss of proton generate this alcohol. Similarly, when this amine react with nitrous acid, rapidly converted into this compound which forms this carbocation under by the loss of N2 and which on react with water generate this alcohol, and it undergoes bond migration from here to there, and consequently it generated this carbocation which on react with water and generated this alcohol. Now how can we convert this compound into this compound? If we treated this compound with NaNO2 and aqueous acetic acid, it converted into this compound. NaNO2 and acetic acid generated in situ nitrous acid which generated NO plus, and consequently this amino group react with NO plus and undergoes dimenum rearrangement and forms our desired compound. Now when this amine treated with NaNO2 orthophosphoric acid in water, it generated the mixture of these compounds. Now first this amino group react with NO plus and forms N2 diazo compound which on undergoes loss of N2 and generated carbocation at this carbon, and consequently the migration of hydrogen from this carbon to this generated carbocation here which on undergoes loss of proton from this carbon and generated this alkene. Again when this carbocation undergoes bond react with water generated this alcohol, and when it undergoes CC bond migration from here to there, and consequently the carbocation positive charge generated there and which react with water forms this alcohol. Now when this amino compound treated with NaNO2 in aqueous H2SO4, it rapidly converted into this alcohol. Now dimenum rearrangement is a kind of semi-Pinacol-Pinacolon rearrangement. Here when amino alcohol treated with nitrous acid, it generated this ketone. Now what is the reaction mechanism? The first this amino group react with NO plus and it generated this diazo compound by the following mechanism, and which then this diazo compound undergoes loss of N2 generated this carbocation which undergoes CC bond migration and generated this carbocation which is resonance stabilized, and these resonating forms when undergoes loss of proton generated this ketone. Now when this amino alcohol treated with nitrous acid, it first undergoes this amino group react with NO plus and consequently followed the following mechanism and generated this diazo compound which undergoes loss of N2 followed by the bond migration from here and generated this carbocation which undergoes loss of proton and generated this ketone. And when this amino alcohol treated with nitrous acid, as usual, first amino group react with NO plus and converted the amino group into the diazo group followed by the following mechanism. Then this N2 leaves from this compound and the bond migration and followed by the loss of proton generated this ketone. When this amino alcohol treated with nitrous acid, first amino group converted into the diazo group, then the loss of N2 followed by the CC bond migration from here to there generated the carbocation which resonating forms is this one which undergoes loss of proton and consequently it generate this ketone. Now when this compound treated with NaNO2HCl, first the NH2 group converted into diazo group, then the loss of N2 followed by the bond migration from here and consequently loss of proton generated this compound. So students, if you have any additional query or problem, feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you.